Hey, it's Paul from Guitar World, and today we're going to be looking at a great new dual mode buffer and boost pedal, the Radial Elevator. Let's check it out. The Elevator is a boost pedal that is divided into two sections, the bass line and then the booster. So depending upon how you set the elevator up, it can be a pedal that is always on with the boost function, or it can be just a boost pedal set in true bypass mode. But the interesting thing about this pedal is the bass line section, because if you set it to buffer, you basically have an optimized enhancer for your guitar sound. Using just the buffer mode in the bass line section, it has a drag control to dial in the ideal load for your guitar's pickups to match the tone of plugging directly into an amp. It also has a drive preset that combines the buffer, the drag control, and the drive control, which is used to make the effect a little hotter. So basically, you can get a slight little overdrive by moving the drive control, and the drag control allows you to match the impedance of your pickups for a really great bassline sound in the buffer mode. If you don't need that at all, just simply set to true bypass, and the circuitry is bypassed. The other great section, of course, is the booster section, which can be engaged with the pedal's foot switch. It offers a 3-position switch with off, 5 dB and 10 dB settings, with a gain control that can dial in up to 15 dB of clean boost. As I said before, the Elevator is a dual mode pedal. If I don't want to use the dual mode on the bass line, I would simply set it to true bypass, and it doesn't affect my signal at all, and then I can just use the booster section of it for up to 15 dB of clean boost with a bunch of mid-range. Now, if I want to add a bit of buffer to it, I can set it to the buffer setting, and then using my ears, of course, to hear the amount of drive I want to dial in, and the drag to basically match the pickup sound or the sound coming through my amp. I've set that already, so you can already hear I have a little bit of edge on this pedal. And then if I want to hit the boost, simply kick it in, and you'll hear how loud it gets. So as I turn it off, the bass line part is always on in buffer mode and in drive preset, which adds all the elements, without the boost and then kicking it in. Let's take a listen with a little bit of gain. The Radial Elevator is a total performance pedal. It is a set and forget pedal that allows you to really signal enhance and optimize your guitar sound, as well as being such a great sweet sounding boost pedal that offers up to 15 dB of gain, as well as that mid-range cut to give you that extra level of clarity in your solos. Definitely check it out.